AI tools like ChatGPT, Grok, and Copilot aren't just for techies or big corporations. They're everyday tools your team can use to write faster, research smarter, and solve problems in minutes. But here's the truth. Most people don't know how to use them effectively. That's where Bill Brown comes in. Bill, a systems consultant and software developer with over 35 years of experience. He has built enterprise-level systems for industries like waste management and mining, and now he is helping small businesses make the leap into using AI every day without the fluff. Since 2020. He also has been analyzing large data sets, including election data, using AI as a research and validation tool. His approach is hands-on, practical, and tailored to real work, not just theory. Most teams are overwhelmed. They've heard of ChatGPT, but don't know how to use it productively. They worry about accuracy, bias, or just sounding robotic. Or they're stuck with trial and error and wasting hours learning the hard way.
In just 90 minutes, your team will. They'll understand how to navigate and use tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, and Gemini. They'll learn how to write better prompts for faster, smarter results. They'll see real-world examples from tasks they do every day. They'll practice building their own AI-driven workflows. They'll know how to validate and verify what AI gives back. Plus, Bill includes slides and a library of real research examples they can refer back to.
Your team doesn't need another lecture. They need practical skills they can use tomorrow. Let Bill train your small staff to work smarter with AI, confidently, ethically, and effectively. Visit TMS Chat.com or call today to schedule a session.